Hello class, how are you today? I'm fine. Okay, in this video I'm going to teach you another type of a paragraph. In this video you are going to study process analysis paragraph. Okay, what is a process analysis paragraph? In a process analysis paragraph you divide a process into separate steps. Then you list or explain the step in chronological order, the order of events as they happen over times. Special times words or phrases allow you to tell the reader the sequence of the steps. So in a process paragraph is a paragraph that describes the process or explain the step of something that happened in chronological order, the order of the event. And usually the time words or phrases are used in order to allow the reader to know that the sequence of the step. The process analysis paragraph ends with a specific result, something that happened at the end of the process. So in process analysis paragraph explain or show the specific result. Okay, at the end of the process. Okay, sorry for interrupting. Okay, can you process analysis paragraph end with a specific result, something that happened at the end of the process. So in a process paragraph at the end have clear result, specific result. A process analysis paragraph explain sequence of process, present fact, and details in chronological order. I can use time, words, or phrases in order to explain the step of the event, and with specific results. This is the characteristic of process paragraph. The best way to learn what a process analysis paragraph looks like is to read and study several examples. So you have to read and study some example in order to learn the process of analysis paragraph in order to learn how to write the process paragraph. Even though the three paragraphs that follow are about different topic, each one is an example of process analysis paragraph. So at the end of the lesson, there are three example paragraph to show you that have different topic and all about the process analysis paragraph. Okay, organization of process analysis paragraph. As you know that in a paragraph there are three parts. One is the topic sentence, and second is supporting sentences, and the end is the concluding sentence. So paragraph are divided into two main parts: introduction, topic sentence, supporting sentences, and concluding sentence. So process analysis paragraph is the same as other paragraph, that there are three main parts. The order of steps in a process is important to the success of a process analysis paragraph. A process analysis paragraph is usually arranged in chronological order. So in order to arrange the process paragraph in chronological orders, we have to use transition word or chronological order words. Okay, in other words, the steps in a process are listed in order that they occur in time. So what happened first, whichever event happened first, which step first, which step is second, next, so on and so forth. The writer used chronological order to show the reader when the steps in the process occur. So in order to show the reader the step of the process occur, we use the transition word or chronological order. Okay, writer use time phrases, time clauses, and time words to show time order in a process. These items are also called transition words because they mark the transition from one step to the next. Study the transition word in the following chart. Okay, in a right column, example of how they are used in the paragraph. Example here. This is the transition word. This is the example. Example like then. So we use then. We use first, second, third. For example, next, the next step, the next thing, the last step, the last thing, finally, in addition, before, after, when. Example, this is a transitional word that are usually used in the process analysis paragraph. Like that example, then move the part. Example, first you must be sure the step is choose a school. The next thing you should do is to decide something. The last step is to put the corner. In addition, ask the school official and teachers to write letters. This is just an example. Before, you can say before you serve the office, blah blah blah. When you form appear, when a form appears. Okay, this is sample of the transitional word that are used in the process analysis paragraph. Okay, look at an example of process analysis paragraph. Like the topic is eating amazing food. Because eating delicious, juicy taco is not easy. It requires the following specific direction. This is the topic sentence. In the topic sentence, tell the reader the state, the process, what will happen in the support. First, you must be sure that you are wearing clothes that you do not mind getting dirty. Eating a taco while you are wearing an expensive shirt or suit is not a smart idea. The next thing that you should do is decide if you want to eat the taco alone or in front of others. Eating a taco in front of someone you don't know well can be embarrassing. Finally, it is important to plan your attack. It is a good idea to pick up the taco gently and then finally keep it in a horizontal position. As you raise the taco, slowly turn your head toward it and position your head at a 20-degree angle. The last step is to put the corner of the taco in your mouth and take a bite. By following this simple direction, eating a taco can be less messy experience. This is the result. The result of following the step in the supporting sentence. So this is the example of process analysis paragraph that explain the process of eating delicious juicy taco. And one more is the way to make breaking up easier. So in this process analysis paragraph explain you how to break up with someone easily. Breaking up with a boyfriend or girlfriend can be easier said then done. But there are 5 steps that may help the breakup process. So this is the topic sentence. And the topic sentence here tell the reader what is the step or how many steps in breaking up with a boyfriend or girlfriend. And the first step here, this in the support tell you the first step what is it, the next step what is it, then what is it after that, and finally, and this is the result. The result. So first try to distance yourself by suddenly becoming busier than usual. The next step is to calmly tell the reader, tell the other person that how you are feeling. Then this is the step, okay, of the process analysis paragraph. Okay, then gently let him or her know that you do not want to get get together anymore. Then make sure to be sensitive of his or her feeling and give and answer any question that he or she may have. For example, in this paragraph also have example. Okay, I just read you this much. I hope you just this is the final step. And at last, the result. If you follow the 5 steps here, what is the result? The result can break up easily and smoothly. And this is the last sample of process analysis paragraph. How to be a good friend. This is another example, just a bit more also at home. So if you want to be good at writer you want to be a good process analysis paragraph writer, you have to read a lot of example, you have to study a lot of example, and you see the model and you see the how the paragraph are written in chronological orders. Okay, this is the end. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope that you will enjoy this video and you will enjoy this lesson. Okay, so if you want to be a good writer, please watch this video again and again, and if you don't understand, you can ask in a comment. Thank you. Bye bye.